Now, once you tap on the link, I'm going to drop the link of this app. So once you tap on the link, it's going to take you to your Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, so then you download the app. So once the app has downloaded, then you open it. Okay, now you tap on Google, tap on this Google logo. Okay, you sign up with Google. Don't sign up with another option. Sign up with Google. Then you select your Gmail. Agree. You type your zip code here, and the state is actually going to pop up. Then you tap on continue. So you set up all these ones. I can just set up my birth date, right? So you tap on continue. So if they ask you of my referral code, I'm actually going to drop my referral code. So make sure you put my referral code, okay? So you tap on continue, continue, continue. Skip for now. Skip for now. Wow, your account has been created. Okay, so now for you to be earning on this app, you have to be uploading receipts, but USA real receipt, not fake receipt. So if you want to upload receipt, just tap on this camera icon, and it's going to allow you to snap the receipt. So you can just send this to another phone and snap it from the other phone. Then you are going to be earning points. Now to redeem, so once you are earning points, just tap on this. So tap on this, your balance. Okay, then each point you upload is actually going to be giving you I think close to 2,000 coin. Okay, so now if you want to redeem your coin, because you're actually going to be redeeming this coin for gift card. Okay, you can see a lot of people sending $50 gift card to me already from this Fetch app. So they have been cashing out, and for you to redeem as gift card, just tap on this search icon. Then you search for Apple gift card or Razer Gold gift card. Those are the two recommended gift cards that you should search for. Apple, as you can see here. So, and I'm going to advise you should start from $10. Make sure you have like 13k points before you want to redeem as gift card. This $5 is nonsense. It is worthless. Okay, so start from $10. If you want to place withdrawal, make sure you place withdrawal from 10. Now, once you have placed withdrawal, it's actually going to take maximum of 4 working days for it to drop. Okay, so once it has dropped, it's going to actually be mailed to you. They are going to mail you. They are going to send an email to you that your gift card is ready. So you come inside this app and you are going to see your gift card. Okay, so you can send it for me. You can actually send it to me for cash. I'm actually going to give you cash. So now, if you want to copy your referral link, because if you actually refer, per referral is 2k point, 2,000 points, up to 4,000 points. It depends on how many people you refer. So if you keep referring, they are going to increase your point per referral to 4k points. As you can see, let me show you something. Come to leaderboard. Tap on this leaderboard. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, this Olariwaju, right? I wanted to show you my previous account that they actually banned. I made a mistake by creating 2 accounts, so they banned one. They banned both of them. So you should make sure you don't create 2 accounts with the same identity. Okay. Now, if you refer, that one is even going to be better because per referral is 2k points once the person uploads receipt. Now, if you want to upload receipt on this app, make sure you upload real USA receipt. Any USA receipts you can upload. Okay, you can. But if you cannot upload receipts, just copy your referral link. To copy your referral link, to copy your referral link, just tap on this one. Then you scroll up, you tap on refer a friend. Okay, and you copy your referral code or your referral link. So once you have done that, per referral, as you can see here, get 3k. It's even 3k now, so 3k per referral. So meaning if you refer like if you refer 10 people now and they actually upload the receipt, you are going to be able to even pull out $10 gift card. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. I'm actually going to be expecting you guys to be cashing out massively from this app. So now if you want to loot, okay, your account, your main account, maybe you should not upload the receipt at all. Okay, then you copy your referral link, then you find another phone. Your main account, make sure it is safe on a phone separately. So now you find another phone to be looting. If you have a lot of Gmail accounts on that phone, then you can create an account and upload receipts. Then the referral bonus is actually going to be reflecting on your main account. Okay, so that's how to do it, guys. I'm actually going to be expecting you guys to be cashing out massively from this Fetch app. Anything from 4 days from now. Okay, yeah, bye for now.